Check out my parrot. He has a very large vocabulary. Rock, piece of shit. Rock. Doesn't sound very educated to me. No, he just hates you. Jesus, there's something we need to tell you. God put you inside of me magically before you were born. It's a miracle. Okay. There. Now we don't have to have the talk. Phew. Wanna go for a beer with me? No, man, I quit. You quit alcohol? I quit our friendship. I need healing! Don't worry, I got you. I'm a holistic medic. Goodbye, world. Hi, I'm Barack Obama, and I'm here to take your guns. No way, dude. And replace them with goddamn katanas. Wow, thanks, Obama. That wasn't sarcastic. I can never tell.
You're very sick and need to rest. Can I still play games? Absolutely not. Just end it now, Doc! Just end it now! Sorry.
My documents. Give me the girliest drink you've got. This is straight whiskey. Maybe you should woman up and drink it? This coffee will give me what I need to get good work done.
Down here.
Huh?
Hey! I don't know you shit.
Excuse me, but your fly is down. Oh no. Don't worry, I didn't see anything. Huh? Hey, pal, why do you look so sad? Because I am sad. Oh, well, don't be sad.